Are your third-party applications failing because of the Android Debug Bridge API DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. This DLL file is the Android Debug Bridge ADB interface library for Windows. It provides the low-level communication link between a PC and an Android device, essential for app development, file transfers, and system debugging. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of Android SDK to replace the Android Debug Bridge API and refresh the program's runtime files. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Android Debug Bridge API file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the Android Debug Bridge API DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines the Android Debug Bridge API optimization concepts. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Android SDK error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.